Gardening is not merely a hobby, it is a glorious experience that connects us with nature in a profound way. With our hands in the dirt, our heads basking in the warm sun, and our hearts immersed in the beauty of the natural world, we find solace and fulfillment. The act of gardening allows us to cultivate not only the soil, but also our own well-being. When we dig our hands into the earth, we become one with the very essence of life. The feeling of soil slipping through our fingers is a reminder of the interconnectedness between humans and nature. It is a tangible connection that grounds us and reminds us of our place in the grand tapestry of the natural world, as we work under the sun's gentle rays. We are nourished not only by its warmth but also by the knowledge that we are partaking in an ancient and timeless practice. Gardening has been a source of sustenance and joy for countless generations, and we are fortunate to continue this tradition. The sun's energy fuels the growth of our plants, just as it invigorates our spirits and rejuvenates our souls, but it is not just our hands and heads that are engaged in the act of gardening, our hearts are also deeply intertwined with nature. As we witness the miracle of a seed sprouting, a bud blossoming, or a fruit ripening, we are reminded of the beauty and resilience of life. We learn patience as we wait for our plants to grow. And we experience the joy of nurturing something from its infancy to its full potential. Gardening is not only about the physical act of planting and tending to plants, it is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. It teaches us to be patient, to be attentive, and to appreciate the simple pleasures that nature provides. It allows us to slow down, to escape the chaos of our daily lives, and to find solace in the tranquility of our gardens.